Hey EBC, I hope this message finds you better than well. I'm so excited to be here with you today. For those of you who don't know, my name is Reverend Bianca Baird, and I used to work for EBC as the Associate Pastor for Discipleship Development. For those of you who do know, hey again, and I'm so happy to be here with you. You guys have certainly become like family to me, and so when Reverend Saxton asked me to share a testimony, I was more than happy to do so. So my testimony is this, that it was a reminder to me that God still answers prayers in the midst of a crisis. Um, since leaving EBC, I had certainly always been kind of searching for a career of purpose. And thank God I had been employed, but it wasn't employment with purpose. And so around the end of April, early May, God opens a door that provided a salary larger than I ever expected and opportunities bigger than I thought I was even worthy of. And so it was just a reminder to me that even in the midst of crisis, God will open doors, that God loves me, that God has not forgotten about me. He is not social distancing himself from me. He's not waiting for coronavirus to be over with to open doors. And so I want to share and say that same thing to you, that God loves you and that he is not social distancing himself from you, nor is he waiting for this virus to end to open a door for you, that God will provide right in the midst of a crisis, whether it's a national crisis, a global crisis, a crisis within yourself. God will certainly provide in the midst of a crisis and has not forgotten you. God loves you dearly and deeply, and knows the desires of your heart and certainly wants to give you those things. So I hope you enjoyed today on purpose. Happy month of June.